How to find deleted friends on Snapchat. What is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll be showing you guys a quick and easy method to find deleted friends on your Snapchat. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on the bell icon so that you get notified about our latest uploads. Now, let us jump right in. First thing first, you're just going to open up your Snapchat application. Now, once you have opened up your Snapchat, all you have to do is head over to your profile icon by tapping on the top left corner. So if you've recently deleted a friend or want to know the location, then in that case, all you have to do is simply tap on the settings icon and then scroll down all the way until you see your data. So right above the logout option, tap on my data. And then from here, you'll have an option to log in if you haven't already. So you'll have to log in if this is your first time. And after you log in, you can download all of these available data. So what you can do is make sure to check mark this chat history. You can also retrieve the user information like login, Snapchat Plus, user profile. Furthermore, you can also download informations like location history and many more. So just select the information that you need. I'm just going to select my chat history because I don't need anything else. Now tap on next. Now here you have an option to select a timeline. So if you have recently deleted the friend, then you can do it on last week, depending on your choice, last month, last year, 2 years ago, or all time. It will take a lot of data, as you know. So I'm just going to do last week and then tap on submit. And now once the export is in progress, you can go back and then open up my data again. Now once this data has been sent to you, you can always download it on a zip file, and you can extract the zip file to see all of your chat history. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.